Good afternoon to everyone. So today we are over here with a very good news and wholeheartedly we welcome all of you at AMAS training. Hope so all of you are doing at the best of your health. As all of you know, UPSC has released the calendar for 2024 and in that NDA 154 course, the examination is going to be conducted for the same on 24th of April 2024. And seeing the same, AMAS is also launching a batch on 24th of the January 2024 to help all the aspirants and day aspirants to enhance their chances of selection in the exam. And particularly this already we had done with four of the batches for NDA as well as CDS with the very good results. So before starting off with the information, I would like to talk about the paper pattern that you'll be following on the day. So particularly there are two papers. One is for maths for 300 marks and the time duration is 2.5 hours. And the second paper is of GAT. That means it contains English as well as GS with the maximum score of 600 and duration is 2.5 hours. So for getting the selection over there for a total of 900 marks, you people need to have a proper guidance, and we the team of AMAS is over there to guide you properly, as all the teachers, your faculty members who are being included in the course are particularly the experienced ones. So if I talk about the GAT or GS section, you can see over there on the screen, all of these comprises a sum total of 600. So particularly any of this section is not unavoidable over there. And if we talks about like what I'll be teaching over there in AMAS is chemistry, geography, history, polity, and current affairs. Particularly in chemistry, we will be focusing on clearing up all the topics into the classroom only in such a manner that with one revision, you are prepared with the exam. Particularly, I'll be also giving you some short tips and tricks over there to remember the things, to remember the chemical formulas, the chemical equations. Plus, in the geography, we will be learning everything over there, the topics, by connecting it to the day-to-day's real life phenomena that are occurring over there in the nature, so that the theory, when it is related to the practical life, you will not be forgetting it, and the topic is being prepared over there for the exam, and you are able to attempt the questions also over there correctly. And as students, all of them specifically from the science background, they are afraid of the humanities subjects, and in the humanities also the history part. But let me tell you students, like history is itself saying hi to stories. If you will be see the combination of this word, it is hi stories. So the entire history part, the ancient, medieval, and modern history, or whether it is a world history, we will be covering everything in the form of stories. So when like a topic is being covered in the form of stories, the students never forget those things, and for like surety, you will be attempting the questions that are being given in the exam very easily, and that also in a correct manner. Same as with the polity, like learning the constitution is very difficult thing, but with the tips and tricks and with the proper guidance, if you will be seeing that, so it seems very easy, like the articles, the fundamental rights, the fundamental duties, the directive principles of the state policies, plus as well as like you can say the schedules of the constitution. So everything like we will be covering in the classroom itself. I will be focusing that each and every student should learn all these things, whatsoever it is being taught into the classroom, in the class itself, and only once with the revision, you are being prepared with the topic. And the current affairs also, like we will be covering month wise the current affairs of last 1 year that the UPSC usually ask in the exam. So particularly now students have a doubt in the mind, like why to join AMAS if we have such a vast ocean of like subject matter that is being provided over there by social media on YouTube, etc. But the thing is, you should have a proper guidance along with the matter to study. That matters a lot for the selection. And if you will be joining AMAS course over there, the NDA 153 course, particularly the batch that we are starting on 24th of April. So usually we provide one-to-one interaction with the teachers in the classroom itself. Like you can say, particularly if you have any of the doubt over there, teachers will be solving out the doubt. If you are facing any of the problem in your syllabus, teachers will be helping you out there. So you will be provided with one-to-one interaction with the faculty members. Plus, after finishing up of like syllabus for 1 week, like we are following the module system. So completing one module, we will be following up with the weekly mock test. And so that also with the level of the UPSC that it gave in the exam. So particularly attempting those things are just in the order to make you ready for the exam, and the pressure, like how to handle the time pressure, like the time constraint, or you can say particularly like if a question comes like a bit difficult, how to attempt that, and that also you should get it in the positive way. So all those things like you'll be learning over there while attending the mock test, and along with the mock, like while checking those, we will be providing you with the regular feedback sessions. That is the most thing. Like we will be informing you about your weak areas, about your strong areas. We will be helping you out to make your stronger areas a bit stronger, and to work and improve your weak area, so that your chances for the selection are maximum over there on 24th of the April. Particularly here, we will be providing you the proper guidance to improve yourself, whether it is any of the subject. Same. And as many of the students, they have a doubt over there, like it is the online classroom, and students preferably like they opt for offline. So let me tell you students, like in the Zoom also, AMAS provides a classroom like scenario, a physical classroom like scenario. While even sitting at the home, you people can have a sense of like classroom, as you will be under the guidance surveillance of the teacher. Your videos will remain on throughout the entire session, plus the teacher video will also be on. So particularly, and you will have like in the ending of the session or in the starting of the session, we will be giving you a chance to solve out your doubts. If you have any of the doubt, you can ask the teachers. They will be solving it on the regular basis. And even like as soon as you finishes up with the course, now what after the course, the question comes over there in the mind. So particularly after the course also, if you have any kind of doubt in your preparation, like will be showing you a track, and while moving on the track, if you face any of the difficulty, we, the teachers over there of the AMAS, are there to help you out. And particularly with the same thing, we people like will hold your hand till the exam day, and also like to assure the selection. If you will be working hard over there, if you will be revising the topics that are being taught into the classroom, so believe me students, you are in the safe and the experienced hands of AMAS. So hope so all of you are joining the course over there, hoping for all of you's presence over there into the classroom. And that's it from my side. So particularly if you have any of the doubt, please contact the manager or the coordinator of AMAS, and they'll be solving out their doubts. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.